Imagine. Every day, how many opportunities show up? How many do we grab? How many of them actually become life-changing turning points that change our future? You must be thinking, what exactly am I talking about? I'm referring here to something that will surely be a turning point for your business. I'm talking about tires. Let me explain. 10 brands, 10 sales representatives, 10 offers, 30 different tire patterns, and one tire to be chosen. And then, how do you gauge which one to buy when there's no right performance benchmark? Tire performance is variable due to factors such as road, load, maintenance, weather, and even how good the driver is. This determines the destiny of the poor tire. After which, you will be wondering whether mileage can actually be predicted. Finally, the tire is fitted in your vehicle. Now, to get the desired performance from the tire, your role starts. You need to ensure right inflation, timely rotation, wheel alignment, NSD checks, mechanical fault checks, and be aware to act on deviations. To this, add repair, retreading, replacement, and sometimes removals due to accidental cuts. By this time, you are already micromanaging issues like how and from where do I get the tires serviced? How much should I spend on alignment and where? At what cost and when? Will it increase my savings from tires, fuel, and operating cost? Further, highway breakdowns, inventory control, and data management keep adding to the cost of trained manpower, which again is difficult to find, resulting in soaring cost, more pitfalls, and overall an increased CPKM. Here comes the shocker. By this time, you have already invested 30% of your valuable time here. Now, what if I tell you right now that you don't need tires anymore? Today, we are not offering you a product. We are not offering you a service. We are offering you a complete solution, coming from a team of tire and vehicle experts spread over multiple locations, equipped to professionally handle your entire tire management, bringing in better efficiency and value, while you focus on your core business. We bring to you JK Tyre Mobility Solutions. And now I'd like to hand over the stage to Mr. Sanjeev Sharma, who is the man behind this innovative concept of mobility solutions.
Mobility Solution is a complete customized value package to meet your emerging business needs and to fuel your business growth. We are proud to say that JK Tyre is the first company to offer you an innovative solution at commercial scale. It's not a product, it's not a service, but it offers you peace of mind. So we offer you premium tires for safety on highways, lower breakdown for better turnaround time, fuel efficiency which gives you saving enough to pay back your tire costs, protection from tire price fluctuations which gives you complete peace of mind, zero inventory cost leading to better working capital and better profit, highly trained and skilled experts to ensure right practices, tracking of tires on wheels through IT integration, widest network of pit stops across the country, and more importantly, you pay as you use. This, my friend, is JK Mobility Solutions.